Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use playbooks in Hubspot. So to do that, first go to your Hubspot account and log into your account. So I'm just going to continue with Google. Click on confirm. So once you're in your account, all you have to do is click on sales, and here you can see the option for playbooks. Click here. So the playbooks will look something like this. So let's start our free trial. If you have a plan, you can use it right away. Alright, so from here you can build your playbook. So I'm just going to create it quickly. And now you can just create your playbook from here and publish. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.